Hey everybody, garbage disposals can get pretty nasty and kind of stinky. Cleaning them out is pretty easy to do. I actually did mine a while back, so it's not going to be that dirty inside. I'm just going to show you how to do it anyway. This gasket here, if you just grab it and pull up on it, you can see how nasty that is. We'll set that aside and clean it before we put it in. But the first thing I want to do is take some dish soap and I want to squirt it down in there, a fairly decent amount. It doesn't need to be a ton of it. We'll start with that, and then I've gotten some ice from the ice maker and I've packed it down in there about as much as I can get in. And then I'm going to put the spout over the other side of the sink and let the hot water run, or let the water run until it gets hot. It'll take a second here. Here it comes. And it'll move over where I can hit the switch. Get that hot water going in there. Turn it off. I'm going to push the remaining ice in there. Turn the water on, do it again. Turn the water off. Looks pretty clean. And now, you can see I've cleaned that gasket off really well. And that just pushes down in. You'll feel it pop into place all the way around. And then you're done. No more nasty, stinky garbage disposal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.